Now, the only human study which we have to quickly run through, I said that there is only one human clinical trial, and the question was, can the genetically modified food convert our gut bacteria to GE, genetically engineered one? The gene transfer from food to gut bacteria or into our own pardon?
Microphone.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. So what they did was that they 7 human volunteers who had an intestinal pouch, their colon was removed, had nothing to do with GM, just they were in the hospital for other reasons, they were operated. So what you have is if you have a bag, then when what you eat can be taken samples from that bag and see what you eat, what happens to it when it gets to the bag. The bag is replacing your colon. And what they found that 6 out of 7 ileostomy patients, small but measurable amounts of the full-length transgene was found its way into the ileostomy bag. Now that, of course, contained all the bacteria. The bacteria then had been passaged 4 times, and the DNA, the GM DNA, was still there. And what was very interesting, that 3 of the 7 ileostomy patients were already infected before the study had started. So we have no background, no starting line, because the people have already eaten GM soya, and the appropriate transgene was present. And if you are eating it, then they say that the feces will not contain it, so it's all right. But it is all right for the environment, but for us, what happens is what happens inside. What is the consequence of it? Now, so if you go from the plant cell to the soya meal, 1 meal, and then it gets into the human gut and the bacteria, and this has been published in Nature Biotechnology. So, yes, we know that some of these DNA, despite all the great dogmas which say that everything will disappear, we eat it and there's no problem any longer. But in fact, this is what they published.